What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to clear YouTube cache on your iPhone. So let me directly get into a step. First one, just go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to General. Now from here go to iPhone storage. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to YouTube app. Select this one. Now from here we have an option called Offload app. Tap on Offload app. So right now before Upload app, so right now what it's going to do is it is going to remove all the cache and it's not going to wipe any of your data. So once afterward, just go for reinstall app so that it will be reinstalled back. So now all the cache of your YouTube app is completely gone and you're fine with it. You just need to wait so that the app will be reinstalled back. So guys, once afterwards you're fine with it, after offload is done, all the cache on your YouTube app will be completely cleared up. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. That's it. Bye bye.